How to create a YouTube channel on phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a YouTube channel on your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your YouTube app. Now, if you don't have a channel, what you will need to do to create one is head over to the bottom right corner on your profile icon. After you do that, here you'll find create a channel option right below your username. Tap on create a channel. Then all you have to do is if you want to change or add a profile picture, you can do that by tapping on this button. If not, just leave it be. And here you can change your name, save it, your handle as well. So choose a handle, then tap on save. So yeah, sometimes your handle might not work as you might think because it can already be, with someone else. So I'll just type in something random and tap on save. Now, all you have to do is tap on create channel right here and it will create your channel for you. And there you go. Now you have created your first YouTube channel. Now you can start uploading your YouTube videos, shorts and everything. And yeah, that's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel on your phone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.